If you're trying to grow on TikTok, you already know that going viral is the fastest way to get there, and it's usually how creators start turning views into real income. The problem is recreating that viral style from scratch takes forever, and most people give up before they even post. That's starting to change. There's a tool now that can watch any viral video and hand you the blueprint to recreate it yourself, no editing skills required. It's called Pippit, a ByteDance product, and it's built to help with exactly that. Pippit can pick up on the creative DNA of a video, the structure, the motion, the visual style, and use it to help you recreate almost anything you can imagine. Pippit doesn't just copy a video, it analyzes it and recreates the visual style, audio, pacing, and overall flow. That means you don't need to write complicated prompts or spend hours editing. Just take a viral TikTok as your reference and turn it into your own version. And this is the part that actually helps you grow faster. Pippit's reference video feature just got a major upgrade. Say you find a trending dance video, you can now swap in your own character, add your own custom BGM, and Pippit keeps the exact same choreography and timing. You can even point it to just one moment of a video, like a 7-second clip from 00:05 to 0.12, and it'll pick up exactly that part. It also stays consistent on longer videos now, up to 2 minutes, so you're not limited to quick clips anymore. All of this is powered by the latest model, Seedance 2.0 Mini, same cloning quality. Let me show you a side-by-side comparison so you can see exactly how close Pippit gets to the original TikTok. First, click the link in the description and head over to the official Pippit website. Once you're there, click Sign In at the top. You'll get free credits right away, so you can start using it at no cost. Next, choose the AI model you want to use. I'll start with Seedance 2.0 Mini for this first demo. Now click the plus icon and choose Reference Video and upload your reference video. I'm downloading a trending TikTok and uploading it straight here. Pippit will use it as the reference to generate a new video in the same creative style. As soon as the video finishes uploading, notice the AI automatically generates a prompt based on what it sees in the reference. You don't have to write anything yourself. If you want, you can edit the prompt to customize the result. But since I want this version to stay close to the original TikTok, I'll leave it as is. Next, pick your aspect ratio. I'll go with the TikTok format, then hit Generate. It takes about a minute, and the finished video is ready. Now look at this side by side. On one side, the original TikTok. On the other, the version Pippit generated. Honestly, the results are seriously impressive. The pacing, the motion, even the vibe of the original is all there. And that's exactly the kind of quality that keeps people watching till the end, which is what actually gets your videos pushed to more feeds and helps your account grow faster. But that's not all. Here's a different showcase demonstrating its consistency. The model behind Pippit's upgraded reference video feature and the reason this whole process costs so little. Instead of paying for a full production setup, you're cloning studio quality content at a fraction of the cost. This time I'll upload a completely different case, a trending dance video with a catchy original sound. I'll use the character swap feature to bring in my own character. Add a custom BGM and keep the exact same choreography and timing. I'll hit generate and wait about a minute. Look at this result. The moves are copied almost frame for frame. The music timing lines up perfectly, and only the character has changed. This is exactly the kind of consistency Pippit promised. Even with a completely different video, in just 1 minute, you can turn any viral TikTok into a fresh, high-quality version without spending hours editing or manually recreating someone else's content. Just upload a reference video and let Pippit handle the rest. That means more time actually posting, more consistent content on your page, and more chances for your videos to catch traffic, grow your following, and eventually turn into real income. If you want to try it yourself, click the link in my bio or description and give Pippit a try. Once you use the reference video feature yourself, you'll get why so many creators are switching to it.
I'll see you in another video. Till then, keep racing.